In today's air fryer series, we are cooking up delicious tofu. You guys have heard me talking about tofu, and I can make it so it tastes just like chicken. Now, if you enjoy the taste of tofu, you don't need it to taste like chicken. But if you're somebody like me who really had to get used to and getting on board for adding tofu into my meal plan because of the complete protein benefits, go ahead, follow along with today's air fryer recipe. And we're going to cook up this tofu. It's going to be absolutely delicious, tender, firm, crispy on the outside. And then we're going to make up a macronutrient dip that you get to dip your tofu into. And you can say goodbye to all of those high calorie, high fat, red meat options and start working this in to your weekly meal plan. Let's get started. Go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees for 2 to 4 minutes. And then you're going to open up your tofu. This one does happen to be packed in water, so I drained that out. And then you're just going to place it onto the plate like that. To get rid of the excess water, though, because I know you can find it dry. But to get rid of excess water, if it is packed in water, just go ahead and use a paper towel and just squeeze out that moisture. Once you get that moisture out, simply just cube it up. I've seen people even rip it apart. You can't do this wrong. Little bite-sized cubes. And once you have it all diced up, go ahead and just transfer it over into a bowl so that we can add our extra virgin olive oil and all of our delicious seasonings. So just drizzle the extra virgin olive oil over the top just so it's nice and coated. 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then we go ahead and we work with our ground ginger. We know this is for our gut health, digestion, working against that inflammation that's been built up in the body. Of course, garlic powder. Garlic is just an absolute healing food. It works wonders for the body. This is a great way to get in your turmeric because the other flavors really mask it. And then I do a drizzle of honey, and this is my secret weapon here. I love a little bit of sweetness because it's going to cut through those other seasonings. And then I'm going to add the cayenne pepper as well, which we know has a little bit of a bite, but the two flavors together just meld so perfectly. So go ahead and drizzle, 1 tablespoon over the top. Sprinkle on that cayenne pepper. Tiny dash is going to go to work and do that thermic effect inside of your body. And then it's a firm tofu, but just carefully, you don't want it to crumble. And just be patient and make sure it's all nice and coated. And at this point, there's nothing left to do but put it in the air fryer. So go ahead and place it down. If you're wondering which air fryer I have, it is the 6-quart Chefman. I can link it down below in the description if you guys are interested in that. And we're going to place that into the air fryer, 12 minutes, 400 degrees, and we'll check back on that halfway through. I'm not going to waste the 6 minutes though. I'm going to go over, and if you are part of my regular subscribers, you know that we utilize all the time we have as busy moms and busy people. So I'm going to go do a quick arm workout. So be sure to click over to my shorts on the YouTube channel and check out and see which arm workout I did today. And I really encourage you, take 5 minutes, take 10 minutes, whenever you have it, and just go to work at adding in one of those resistance arm training workouts. But that's neither here nor there. I just want to inspire you to do so. We'll check back on this in 6 minutes. Okay, so we're just about at the halfway mark. You can see here. And all you do right now is pull it out. That's what you're looking at halfway through. It's still a little light, but it's going to brown up some more for you. But you want to go ahead and give it a shake. That's what's going to make it, cook up evenly and just brown up nice for you to give you the best coating that you want, the best texture. And again, this is why I like working with the firm tofu, because with softer tofus, it gets more crumbled and then it almost turns into like a feta cheese. And that's not what we're going for. After you shake it, place it back in and just let it keep going. So here we are at the last few seconds. We'll go ahead and pull it out, and there it is. Delicious tofu cooked up in the air fryer. For those of us that just want to know how to cook tofu in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Check it halfway through. But it's after you've done your seasonings, you know what flavorings you like. So if you want yours to turn out just like mine, go ahead and click the link below, and you can follow along with my recipe step by step. But otherwise, I mean, look at this. You can stab right into it. It's not too crispy on the outside, but let it set for, 2 or 3 minutes. It's going to crispify some more. But this is such a fabulous, complete protein to start adding into your daily meal plan. Okay, so we have our tofu plated up, and we're just going to push that over to the side for a moment, because here is the ultimate gut health dip. Start off with unsweetened Greek yogurt. Very important that it's unsweetened. If you've been following me at all, you know that we are not doing those added preservatives, added flavorings, because we can flavor it ourselves. So whatever you want to enjoy, 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup. And then the best way to sneak in some kefir, because you know you need to get those probiotics into your body, and you know that you're not just pouring this into a glass and drinking it. So another great way is to sneak it into a recipe like this. Go ahead and do a nice little splash of that. And you might be thinking, how are we going to make this taste edible? Well, we're going to throw our red pepper hummus in there. Generously add in your hummus, because you can always save this for later. But now you have it made up, and you're making the commitment and prioritizing your weight loss and getting a serving into your body. So from there, when you have the hummus, go ahead and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pico de gallo. My camera glitched out, so I've already added it in there. You can see, mix that in, and this dip is ready to go. The onion, the cilantro, the green pepper, red bell pepper, all of the fabulous, the lime components of pico de gallo are all going to work at creating those good gut healthy microbes that are going to send your weight loss soaring. So just set that down. And there it is, easy air fryer tofu. I mean, look at this. No more grabbing a bag of chips. We don't need to do that anymore. We can take the time, the 15 minutes it takes to make this from start to finish. And I am telling you, doesn't that look like an appetizer at a restaurant? And I wish you guys were here to try this, because it tastes like chicken. And again, if you like the taste of tofu, that's great, but I didn't. So once I discovered this recipe, and once it came out of that air fryer and it tasted like chicken, I am on board. I can add this in 1 to 2 times a week, guilt-free, know that I'm getting my complete protein. I hope that you enjoyed this air fryer recipe, and that you are sure to check out all of my healthy air fryer recipes. This is one of my favorites. Be sure to share it with friends and family if anybody is looking to lose a couple pounds, or just wants to learn how to use their air fryer for healthy recipes. I only cook healthy in it. That's what we're all about here. Repairing that gut health, having lifelong, successful, sustainable, not complicated weight loss. My name is Melissa with Healthy Days. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to get subscribed so that you never miss another video. In the meantime, I'm going to go enjoy this. I mean, yum. Guys, try this one. See you next time.